APHLC holds motorcycle rally in support of IP's rights and identities. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. With the aims of asserting the rights of indigenous people and creating more awareness about the party's aims and objectives, the All-Party Hills Leaders Conference on Thursday held motorcycle rally from Diphu to Denarong on the theme Indigenous People's Land, Indigenous Identity. Here's a report. The motorcycle rally was flagged off from Diphu at 9 a.m. While speaking to local media before flag-off of the rally, APHLC President J.R. Kathar criticized the state government for not doing enough for the protection of the rights, identities, and their territories, and therefore, APHLC was formed with objectives of raising awareness about the rights among different indigenous tribes of the hill districts and the state as a whole. APHLC spokesman Angtong Intikathar asserted that all of the original names of the important towns and points must be retained and also be accepted officially. While urging for support to their efforts, he informed that Bakalia must not be called and identified as Wolongkomaji, Hauraghat as Hawarkihat, Dengaon as Denarong, Dongmuka as Dongmukak, and Parokha as Wothungaji, among others, as it were originally called. The party, while highlighting the threat to the existence of identity and language of the Karbis and also the history and culture linked to its region, asserted their demands that Karbi names of important towns should be retained as it was originally called. In addition to this, the regional party asserted that all non-tribal voters' names be deleted from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council voter list and stated that they would continue their protest against the implementation of Panchayati Raj in the twin hill districts of Karbi Anglong and Dimha South district. More than 1,000 bikers participated in a massive bike rally which concluded peacefully here on Thursday. Bikram Kro report from Diphu, Dirchana Rongpi from Phuluni, and Harsing Rongpi from Hawarkihat reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of supporting family and meeting the needs of the area, local Karbis have opened their weekly general street outlets at Kattimung village in Rongagora under the Diopani MSC constituency. These small shops are open once a week on every Tuesday. The weekly market first started in March to help villagers buy essential food items when the strict nationwide lockdown was imposed by the central and state governments following the outbreak of COVID-19 virus. Majority of the market in this village are run by Karbis who sell clothes for children, and adults and general items are also sold in these weekly street shops.
Hiti nili bangge ini bangge hiti mani pangceng bangge dagani ke dolo kitame ni tumdai pangceng bangge pini ge dojon I phone ni dolo buat kami daglong bajar ke dun pini asal hidup jangan ke deh tumdak lom besi kitu lo coklam dun lo laben irong da igor sina don rab jiku jiki panda baca pernah hormota
na lockdown bajar dam kiti dari
Shubhas Terang from Langchating for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Karbi Anglong Mom's Dancing Star Grand Finale. Langdonik tha, paetung kekan kacapati along. Kachapati journey lake Matijong ni Pai Krehini, Adim lake Joycing Doloi Auditorium Hall, Diphu. Laban ning chibik tha, bang suarni kelang dona bang pubang piatum an setamin, ang ho di kachipu, ting niki. Nanglitum adamasar mai lapen kapre rong aji ki tunjia phan pindeng gaching thangja ka dure do ikma jongsi do pulo jangte matha ikri humri da mignon pindeng pangrum akula dalong Northeast lapen Karbi Anglong along nong nam ka chang klong bang phi designer pirbi bepi non hejong kapak langmi so arlo atum kaching thanga pindeng pini pekok lapen wamkok kulara long kapak langmi lang mesen do Asi humri dam igra nalitum ning ke hanga tengpen chongwai dam iktham apen ka humri dam nang jadim lake la biarlong ke tok hanlo
Welcome back after the break. With the MLA election at hand, the political parties in the hill districts are strengthening themselves with the best preparation they can. The BJP had on Thursday conducting a mass joining party for the party at Samilangso under number 14 Korkanthi MAC constituency. The program, which began at 12 o'clock in the noon, was held at the building of the under-construction mini-stadium sports complex under the initiative of the Samilangso Shakti Kendra. It was chaired by Korkanthi BJP Mandal President Dolo Ingti. Chief guest of the program was Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Raju Tiso and was also attended by BLCC President Sorat Teron, Korkanthi VDC Chairman Khogen Tiso, Korkanthi Mandal Secretary Dhonsing Ronghang, Chondro Ingti and several others. At least 54 new members were inducted to the party in the program. The new members stated that they had joined the BJP seeing the good work carried out by the party. Party leaders had assured that the BJP government had always been working for the sake of uplifting the people and for the cause of development. They urged the people to re-elect the BJP in the state to allow them to further serve the people.
Ahok ini joining program that Samilangso Shakti Kendra kan kita yang kami. Aru kapre party Congress, SDC, APHLC, CPMN, lasong complete lasong political party, pencil, 56 ni do, ado na bang po bang political party ko sebenarnya. Lapende, aja dingkui, angko penolong itu bang ladak local body tumben, mana kecil kan. BJP along tentang iklan dan hal dan halo BJP pangkai hal. Adema Honorable CM akai Koiram Lohang atau Honorable MP akai orang Singde bahini leadership akam bahini leadership and iklan akam lain untuk iklong lo.
Samsung Inti report from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.